Hello, thanks for checking in. So I'm sitting here and I'm just preparing my presentation for tomorrow morning for you lovely ladies for the live learning session, how women convert from social media posting into happy paying clients. I hope you can be there if you're not registered yet. If you are, or if you are joining us, it is tomorrow morning, 9:15, the 7th of August, and the link's below. And I'm just doing this quick video to say that we all want something, right? And whether it's to have more business, paying clients from social media, whatever it is that we want, I was just reflecting on some important points that I realized needed more attention than others for what I want you to get out of tomorrow's live learning session to help you get what you want. And yes, it will have the things around what it is that we can do to connect, call, have conversations. If we're going to call it sales or enrollment, we'll talk about these things. But they're the simple things. They're the things that I can show you how to do rather simply, actually. And once you know how to do those things, they can make a huge difference. But what I reflected on was something more important than that, something very important, and it really encompasses whether it's the foundations or the overarching things that we do to help us get what we want. And I'm going to talk a lot about how we can use our mindset and what it is that we think, say, and do to help us create what we want. Because strategy is great, I get it. And scripts and steps and processes are great. And I know those inside out. What I want to share with you tomorrow is what Jess does, what I do, and a lot of people do to help us break through the fear blocks, do more of those things that help us get the results. Because I recently was reflecting on where I was putting a lot of my time and energy and really reflecting on what's working and what's not working, and what can I do differently to get a better result, to feel better, to feel more motivated, to feel more courageous, to get better results, be able to help more people, do the work I love, build a successful business, build a big flow of money, build better relationships. And this is what I want to put our attention on to tomorrow is, ladies, what we can do to help you think smarter, put your attention in areas that is going to get you the results that you want. Stop doing things harder and start doing some things smarter. And this is something that I'm really excited about sharing with you. I know the differences that it's making for me and what it's making for people that I follow and work with to help you get what you want. I recently did this book, which I'll share with you. I Want Customer Sales and Money Today. Pretty good topic, right? And I'll have Jess in there. Jess is actually in the book, where she's going to talk about what she thinks and does to build a business and gets paid money from social media in a time where a lot of people, let's face it, are freaking out, and it's tough, right? And I'm not disrespecting that. I know this is a challenging time for all of us in different ways, but I just invite you to consider what if we could look at, think about, and do some things differently in smarter ways and get to the truth of what will help us move forward in happier, more productive, successful, profitable ways, personally, professionally, emotionally, financially. That's what I'm excited to share with you tomorrow in the live learning session with Jessica Williams on how to convert social media posting into happy buying clients. We'll go through it all on there, 9:15 tomorrow morning, links below. Look forward to seeing you on there, and let's have a lot of fun, do some great learning, get inspired, keep moving forward. Ciao for now. See you on there.